So porbeagle sharks are part of what we call the mackerel shark family. So that includes things like great whites, mako sharks. And the land-mid family of sharks has a very special capability of keeping their body temperature above the surrounding water temperature. So it means they can go into colder areas after some of the prey that they're chasing. We hear a little bit less about porbeagle sharks because they're actually endangered in Canadian waters, and after major fisheries started in the 1960s, their population collapsed within about a decade. So actually they are a smaller species of shark. They look very similar to the great white, but they're not as big. They're fascinating species in terms of their physiological capabilities to go into cold water, and actually they're sort of been dubbed like Canada's shark, and that's one of the reasons we're looking to try and protect them through the Species at Risk Act. If porbeagle sharks are able to be listed under the Species at Risk Act, it means that we can unlock the resources we need to go out and do things like fisheries independent surveys, put more observers on boats to look at bycatch mortality for the species, and look at how mortality changes with different types of fishing gear that we have for those porbeagles. That allows us to then better protect the species going forward and promote its recovery as we go on.